In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up Jira by optimizing board filters, custom fields, webhooks, and performance diagnostics. If your Jira boards take forever to load, your dashboards lag, or your team keeps waiting on spinning icons before stand-up can even begin, this walkthrough will help you clean things up in a practical way. The goal here is not to change how your team works, but to reduce the amount of unnecessary data Jira has to process so the interface feels faster and more responsive. Start by opening your preferred web browser and signing in to your Jira site through your company's secure login page. Once you're on the main Jira home screen, go to the top right corner and click the settings gear so you can access the admin area safely. Next, head into the project board you want to improve. In the top right corner of that board, click the three-dot menu and open Board Settings. Under the General section, find the saved filter query. This is one of the biggest reasons boards become slow over time. If the query is too broad, Jira may be loading large numbers of old issues every time the board opens. Choose the option to edit the filter query and add this condition. An open parenthesis status, category not equal to done or resolved, greater than or equal to minus 30D close parenthesis. This helps Jira focus on active work and recently resolved issues instead of pulling in a huge backlog of historical data. While you're still in board settings, open the columns section from the left side menu. Review how many statuses are mapped to the board. If the board has too many separate columns or too many issues sitting in one lane, it becomes harder for Jira to render efficiently. Group similar statuses together, apply minimum and maximum column constraints where appropriate, and move backlog-heavy tracking out of the main board view to keep the board cleaner and easier to scan. After that, go back to the main settings area, select issues, and then open custom fields. Review fields that may be applied globally across too many projects. For a field that only certain teams actually use, open its options menu, choose context and default value, then edit the context so it applies only to the specific projects that need it. This reduces unnecessary background evaluations across the entire instance. From there, open Settings again, select System, and go to Webhooks. Look through the active webhook list for old, duplicate, or unmaintained integrations. Disable or delete any that are no longer needed because excessive background calls can create lag when issues are updated or moved. Finally, open your main project board again and press F12 to launch your browser's developer tools. Use the Network or Lighthouse tab, then refresh the page and review the results. This lets you confirm whether load times, requests, and overall board responsiveness have improved. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the